Today we're going to make a delicious peppermint buttercream frosting. No flavor says the holidays much better than peppermint, other than chocolate, which is all year round. It's creamy and pipeable, and it's going to be delicious on all of your desserts. Let's go ahead and get started. The ingredients for our peppermint buttercream frosting is vegetable shortening, vanilla extract, peppermint extract, butter, milk, and some powdered sugar. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of vegetable shortening and a 1/4 cup of butter. And we're going to beat this until it gets light and fluffy. Then we're going to beat in a 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, I'm going to start working my powdered sugar in about a cup at a time, and I'm going to alternate that with some milk. And it's going to take about 3 cups of powdered sugar and 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk to get it to the right consistency. It turned out great. It's a very spreadable consistency, and you can also pipe this, and the peppermint smells incredible. It smells like a candy factory in here. I just want to dig in and eat the whole bowl. Now, if you don't want to use vegetable shortening, you can use all butter. The thing about the vegetable shortening is it makes it a really nice, smooth frosting, and also keeps it a really bright white that's going to take food coloring really well. But if you can't use vegetable shortening, feel free to use all butter, or you might be able to substitute like a coconut oil based shortening instead. So this is going to be great on cakes and or cupcakes. I hope you enjoyed today's video and we'll give this recipe a try. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the notification button so you're alerted when we upload new videos. Hope you have a great and safe holiday.